What's up guys, Javier from That Racing Channel. We're out here at the 2018 shootout in Ohio and we're about to go for a ride in Andrew's 1994 Eagle Talon. This thing looks beast. Let's give you a little walk around. This thing is super clean. So many beautiful DSMs out here. What's up my man?
What's going on?
She looks so good.
Thank you so much sir.
Start her up, give us a little rev. Interior is so clean in this car too. Full street car. AC, radio. Badass. Ready to go for a spin?
Yeah.
Let's do this, man. Guys, we're out here at the 2018 shootout here in Ohio. Andrew is really, really clean and very, very fast 1994 Eagle Talon. Thanks for taking me for a ride.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yeah, so give us a rundown on the build. What's done to the car?
Car's fully built, aluminum rod, 2-liter still, ported, polished head, valve springs, retainers, Kiggly, all that good stuff, you know. It's ready to go.
Badass.
64, 66 turbo on there, Shep stage 4 trans, DSS drivetrain goodies, boosting TK sprays, all that.
Damn, so you got it all, man.
Yeah.
This thing is just decked out with all the best parts, best of the best.
Yes, sir.
Nice, man. How much power did the car make?
Made 940 on T16 and 640 on pump gas 93.
And I'm gonna ask, are we on race gas?
We're on race gas.
Hell yeah. So this thing's making 940 all-wheel horsepower right now.
Yes, sir, it is.
Jesus.
Yeah.
That is sick. And this thing's pretty much full street car. I mean, we got radio in it.
Full street car, yeah.
I mean, this thing has, you know, full interior. We got a little roll bar in here, but
other than that, yeah.
this thing is just sweet, man.
Take it on the street all the time.
Yeah, man. So how long have you had the car?
Had the car for about 11 years now.
11 years.
Yeah.
That's dedication.
Dedication. I'll die in this car. I love it.
So I'm guessing this isn't your first shootout.
No, it's not. Been coming here since probably 2002.
Wow, man.
Yeah, long time.
There's such an awesome history with the shootout, and it's such a good culture. It's so far away from us. We're in South Florida.
Oh, wow,
we come to Ohio every year because of just the people are so awesome and the DSM community, and now we're getting into the GTR as well with the shootouts, GTRs and stuff. But it's such a good community, man.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Good group of people for sure. That's why we keep coming every year.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
so much fun.
Absolutely.
Good to see a lot of familiar faces you only get to see sometimes once a year.
Oh yeah, absolutely, man. So what engine management's on? Is it on?
AEM Series 2.
Very badass. Okay. Who tunes it?
Jake from AMS Performance.
AMS. Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yep.
I remember Jake. He was, you know, obviously real big in the GTR game, and
Correct, yes.
oh yeah,
Yep.
he's the man.
He is. Does a great job.
Yeah, sweet, man.
Highly recommended.
So how much boost are we on today?
We're on 48 PSI.
Woo, damn near 50 pounds.
Yep. We're gonna get it.
Jesus. Awesome, dude. So who does the work on the car?
I've done all the work from the ground up. This thing used to be automatic when I bought it. I converted it back to a 5-speed. Fully built the drivetrain, fully built the engine, put everything in here. Ground up, man, yeah.
That's dedication, my man. I love to see the guys wrenching on their own cars.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's me 100%.
Do it in the garage.
Do it in the garage, yeah. That's what it's been, honestly.
That's awesome, man. It's really cool. That is a hell of a ride. It's so much fun. Dude, it's wild because as soon as, is this on any type of like boost by speed or boost by gear or anything like that?
No,
or it's just,
no.
it just, you know, targets highest boost possible on the
Highest
hit?
as possible. Yeah, it's on C16, so I told Jake send it.
Jesus, man.
All the boost.
Yes. I mean, I can tell.
Perfect.
Typically, most cars that I'm in will have some type of boost by gear, boost by speed, where it climbs as it goes. But you know, third feels just as good as fourth, and you know, it's it's wild. It's a wild feeling. Yeah, full send mode.
Yep.
I approve of that.
Yeah, I'd love to give a huge shout out to my dad to give me the money to get this car, and then all my friends helped me put it together. My buddy Steve, buddy Rob, Rich, obviously my wife too, Teasy, for dealing with all of this. Long nights in the garage, spending a lot of money on the car. I actually have a baby due in December, so this might be my last hurrah, but
Oh man,
I'm gonna keep the car forever. Thank you, really appreciate it. Yeah, if these guys weren't there, then it wouldn't be possible.
Oh yeah, it's never just a one-man thing.
Oh, no.
Never a one-man show.
Never, never.
So props on the build, man.
Thank you so much,
Love it.
appreciate it.
This is like one of those where it just never gets old.
Oh, no, it's great. It's great. I love it.
That never gets old, man.
It doesn't.
When third gear hits, it just does this like this weird feel. It's hard to explain, and people like just watching through the camera won't be able to feel that,
Yeah, you
but
can't. You gotta
it
get
just
in the
does
car.
this like almost like it's ripping the ground. You just so much traction and so much raw horsepower.
Yep.
So much fun, dude.
Yeah, it's an addiction. I love it.
It is adrenaline junkies for
Yep.
sure.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, thank you so much. It's been an
thank
absolute
you.
blast. It's been awesome riding in the car here. We will see you guys next time.